I'm currently staying in Gauteng, but I'm originally from Limpopo. My family, I'm staying with my mom, my grandmother. I don't have a father, I don't know him. My little sister and my 2 cousins. And Nedbank, I know is gonna really help me a lot to achieve my dreams and my goals, to be what I want to be in my life. I finished my matric last year. I decided to take a gap year this year due to financial problems at home. But next year I'm planning to go and study, apply at the university. I want to study sports management. That's the career I want to follow. And my second option is journalism. I want to see myself playing one of the big teams in PSL. Hopefully go to overseas and play for my country and for the Bafana Bafana team.